Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a real quick how-to on how to replace your battery in this Subaru Legacy. It's a 97. Let's check it out. Okay guys, and this is a real quick how-to. Basically, you're going to have your positive cable on this side, it's a 13mm. Your negative cable on this side, it's a 10mm. And then, this is what your battery's going to look like when it's sitting in there. And basically we have these 10mm studs and little J hooks. So there's like a little J, it goes in on that side. And then over here, we got this little J that sneaks in on that side. So you loosen those up just a little bit to where you can pull it off and out of your way. And then your battery will slide out. Also, I'm going to show you where these little J's hook up. That's why I left the battery out. And you can see, let's see, I think you can see. I might have just lied to you. Okay, it looks like one hole is right there at the end of my thumb, and you'll see right around where it's this little knockout area of the battery tray. That's where it kind of fits in. And then on the other side, okay, it's hard to see, but if you stick your finger right there, that's where the J hooks up on the other side. So you just pull that out and replace your battery. It's pretty simple. So that's it.